Hi, Caroline. What time is it?
Math time!
Awesome. And what are we going to do for math today?
Puzzles. Math puzzles.
Great. Let's check it out.
Okay. First, we'll start off with ones.
Okay. What do you got here?
Okay. One teddy bear. This is what a one looks like.
Okay. Let's put it down because I can't see it yet. I'm only looking at the table. One bear. One. Great. What's this?
A tractor.
Okay. Let's see what you got.
One
Tractor.
tractor.
One.
One bear.
Okay, great. So we're done with those guys. Now what have you got?
Two.
Okay, we got two.
Fat fish.
Okay, let's count them.
1, 2.
Okay, let's grab a two and put it on there. Oh, they're cute.
Next is one.
We got
One plus one equals 2. Here's what 2 looks like.
one,
two.
two. Great. Okay. Now what do we got?
Blacks.
Okay.
1 plus 2 equals 3. That's what 3
Okay,
looks
let's count them
like.
all up.
1, 2, 3. 3.
Nice. What about this one?
1, 2, 3. What a coincidence.
You always. Okay, that's great. That's cute. Okay, now what do we got?
1 plus 3 equals 4.
Great.
Let's use that. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4.
Great.
Next is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars.
Okay. 4.
4.
Great.
Woohoo! Hooray, hurrah.
Now what do we got?
Butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
The answer is 5. Hooray, hurrah!
Okay, now what do we have?
1, 2 books plus 3 more books.
So let's count them all up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. What a coincidence. And hooray, hurrah.
All right, let's see what else we have.
Okay.
What do we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 what?
Rainbows.
I love rainbows.
Me too.
Makes me so happy.
Me too.
6, and that's our 6. 6 rainbows.
Whoop.
I love that. Okay, now, what do we have here?
Apple cores.
Yep. How many did they eat?
4.
4 here. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Plus.
2. 1, 2.
Okay, so let's go.
Count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now, I wasn't planning on doing this, but I think I will really quick, is get myself a little piece of paper and let's make a math sentence with that so we can see what that would look like. Can you draw what 4 plus 2 would look like for me?
Okay.
4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so
right.
what I like to do, and I'm going to tell you guys a little secret that Caroline and I like to do, is we say the bigger number. Okay, so is 2 bigger or 4 number, Caroline?
4.
I meant to say is 2 bigger or 4 bigger?
4.
4 is bigger, so we're going to say 4. So let's say 4. 4.
4.
Now, can you put 2 dots down here for me? We're going to make 2 dots underneath the 2 so we know that that's worth 2. So let's say 4.
4.
And then we're going to go touch these 2.
5.
6. So that's how we add at our
6.
house. We say the big number and we touch count the second. So let me show you another one. We're going to do that again. I'm going to get kind of a little stack of these so I don't have to keep reaching. Okay, let's make a math sentence with just the ones that have the plus on it. Great. Okay, so we're going to put this in a math sentence. The first one is 2, right? Because we have 2 books.
Plus 3.
Now she's making a 3 because there's 3 books there. So that's this is called a math sentence. Okay, now she knew it was 5, but let's pretend we don't know it's 5. We're going to say the bigger number first, not after the equals. We're just looking at this part. What number is bigger? Can you please point so that everyone can see? 3 is bigger, so we're going to say 3. And can you put 2 dots under there, and then we'll count it up. Okay, so we're going to say 3.
3,
4, 5, and then that is 5. We put it there. This is the equals. The 5 goes there. We call this a math sentence. Okay, so
it's a sentence with math.
you know, I didn't learn that until I was much older. I didn't hear the word math sentence until I became a teacher. Okay, so here's the other one. Let's see this. We only have a couple more to go. Okay, so let's see this. The first number Caroline's going to write is
1.
Right, because we have 1 watch here in our math sentence, so we're going to put 1. Then she's going to put a plus, just like they have. And then how many watches is she going to write? 1, 2, 3. So you put a 3, see that? Now she's putting the equals, just like they did.
4.
And she put a 4. Now listen, which number out of the math sentence right here is bigger, the 3 or the 1? Okay, so we're going to say 3. And I don't think we really need to draw a dot for 1 since we just have to point at it being 1, right? So let's say 3. 4, and that's how we got our answer 4. See that? Or you can draw items. Yeah, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can, when you write a math sentence, you say the bigger number. This one's bigger. 3, 4, and that's called counting on. That's what they call that. It's called counting on. It makes your life easier. Trust me. When you get to the big math, counting on is the way to go. Okay, we only have a couple more to go. Okay, this math sentence, what's this going to be?
1.
Okay, we're going to write to a 1 to represent that. Great. So she's got her 1 plus, and now we have 2 flags here, 1, 2, so she put a 2 there. Okay, 1 plus 2. Now we're going to say the bigger number when we add. This is a little crowded, but I hope you can still see that's a 2.
Yeah,
2 is bigger than 1, so we're going to say 2. And then we'll just touch this one since it's just a 1. So 2, 3, and that's why we wrote 3. It equals 3, so that's why that's there. So that's this was our question, and we turned it into a math sentence right here. Okay, now let's see. We only have 1 more to go. Okay, so here's our math sentence here. Or here's our picture, and now we're going to make a math sentence with that. And we have 1 plus 1, because there's 1 rocket here, see? And then there's only 1 more rocket there.
And that equals 2.
We kind of started hard and we got easier, right? Because this is just 1 and this is just 1. So we can just touch those. 1, 2, so it equals 2. And this is called our math sentence. All right, that's all we're going to do for math today. We're going to have more for you next week. So thanks for working with us. All right, bye, Caroline. Thanks for your help.